everyone, it's with Farris, Tarazi, Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to Carson Mesa Road. If you're looking for a unique, one-of-a-kind home that offers breathtaking lake and city views of the entire valley, offers an over 900 square foot modern guest house, and sits on a 2.5 acre lot with complete privacy, this may be for you. Let's go on in, check it out. Welcome home. The main house offers new interior and exterior paint, new windows, 2 downstairs beds with 2 full bathrooms. The formal living room offers soaring ceilings, grand windows that offer plenty of natural lighting, a wood-burning stove to keep you nice and cozy, and a barn door. The kitchen has been completely remodeled and boasts quartz counters, a farmhouse sink, tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. The primary suite offers a private balcony with stunning views, a wood-burning fireplace with the mantle, crown molding, and a primary bath with tile flooring and a tiled shower with 2 shower heads. Welcome to the guest house, which offers LED lighting, exposed wood beam ceilings, nice cozy fireplace, premium flooring, and a modern kitchen with quartz counters, custom cabinetry, and a farmhouse sink. And don't forget the massive primary suite and a primary upgraded bath. Thank you so much for watching this tour of Carson Mesa Road. For more information for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters!